So guys, for the first step, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in chkdsk space. And now the letter of the drive that you're having a problem with. For me, it's going to be my C drive. I'm having a problem with this drive. So now I'm going to type in C:. So you're going to type in your drive letter with a colon at the end. Now you're going to type in space /F space /R. Click on enter. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter. You now want to restart your computer. There also may be a chance where this may not have come up and it will just automatically start the scan for you. You want to complete that scan and then this should now fix your problem. However, in my case, because the C drive is my Windows drive, I have this now. So now I typed in Y and now I'm going to restart my computer. Keep on watching the video. So now I'm going to restart my computer. Keep on watching the video. Restart your computer. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It's now going to start running the scan. And then once you complete the scan, the problem should now be fixed.